If your feed looks anything like my feed, you are just getting bombarded with good news, bad news, stupid news about AI every single day, and it's overwhelming. My job is AI, and I can't pay attention to all this. So if you're out there trying to run a manufacturing business, there's just no way. So our goal with AI is to provide clear, objective, and meaningful assistance to help you make faster, more informed decisions. We call that approach Wingman, and we build everything with security and CMMC compliance in mind. We're careful how we use the data, and we make sure that the AI suggestions are transparent and easy to review. And we've got processes in place for testing and continuous improvement of the tech. One of the things we like to say here, AI makes suggestions, humans make decisions.
As far as AI goes, it's obviously a tool, but there's also some caution there. The way Paperless Parts has used AI, I think it's a responsible way to use such an amazing tool, but keep the reins on.
With it being the wingman, the support, it's going to give you suggestions. It's not going to completely replace an estimator. So I think it's the best way to go about it.
We are so excited to show you our latest AI-supported features. So let me ask, who here has seen the BOM builder? So building a bill of materials is one of the most painful activities estimators have to deal with, especially if you're pulling in a lot of data off of prints. And we've created this user experience with deeply integrated AI to change the game on that. The AI is scraping your files and prints and drawings for metadata. It's looking for BOM tables. It's interpreting those tables, and it's bringing it all together. We've been shipping features for a lot of years. We often hear, hey, that saved me a few clicks, that shaved minutes or maybe even hours off of a process. But with this, there are shops, right, who will spend 2 weeks quoting a many hundred component assembly. This is the first time we've heard people tell us this is going to take days off of a single quote.
I think the biggest benefit we have is the way Paperless Parts has integrated AI to read prints, PDFs, and be able to autofill fields, so you're getting to the meat of the product. Digits and stuff above don't matter much. It's all the pricing and costing down below that you want to get to, so it kind of takes the mind-numbing work off of it.
Some of our customers have very complex cabinets and they only have PDF prints. So if we had a new cabinet, it would take me hours, if not days, to do that. And as soon as I sat down, I was like, this is going to take me an hour to do a whole new cabinet.
It's hard to quote from two-dimensional data. Manufacturing drawings have their own alphabet and language, and normal document software simply doesn't understand them. You've all seen prints like this and probably much worse. And when I talk to folks and ask, hey, if you ever missed a requirement and underquoted a part, most people have, and usually the requirement was in a document that they missed, not in a CAD model. So this year, Paperless Parts is changing the game on how you work with documents and how you quote from prints.
Not only is it saving us time by scanning the drawing and already entering items into the quote from the time you receive the quote to the drawing name, to the drawing number, revision, but it's also helping identify all those key items that are often missed, especially as they get more complex. So the Wingman, it's key for us, absolutely.
We're here to help you get your job done in a way that's secure and safe and compliant. Our role as your partner is de-risking and demystifying this whole landscape for you. So just like our product is a wingman helping you quote, think of our company, Paperless Parts, as your wingman in business and in navigating these new technologies.